talk about how we made this Hummingbird tiny drummer. So first of all, we have to go to the video and learn the steps. Then we got everything we needed. So then we started to work. We did the cardboard and the cup first. The hard part was to get this to stay on, but we managed to do it. Then we got this. We put the cable that was connected to that over here. And then we put the batteries in, and we started to code it to work, and it started to come along. Sure, we came with some difficulties, but we managed to make it work. And that's how we made our tiny drummer.
Hello, this is my one-handed drummer. It hits the cup with its stick, and here you'll see how it works. So that was my drummer. So bye.
Hi, this is Leah
and a Cairo.
and today we'll be showing you how we programmed a bound creature. You can name her any type of, or to him, you can name it any type of way.
We made one creature out of the Hummingbird kit. You have lots of different kinds of things you can add. We added lights.
You can add wheels, and there's more batteries to it, and then this is to make the wheel spin.
It is very easy to make it. There is a lot of wires, but it is super easy to make.
It looks complicated, but trust me, if you're good at coding, you can definitely do it.
We made her out of cardboard, and we used the Hummingbird kit to make her. We also added a speaker in the back of her.
If you're not sure how to do it, you can use the Hummingbird guide and some stickers.
It is very fun to make this.
You could turn him on or off if you like. It takes a minute to program. That's okay. You plug this into your computer, and basically it programs it.
It is super
And these
fun.
lights will turn on. If you turn it on,
You can make the lights different colors. Like this one, we made it different colors, and this one, we just made it blue.
and you could change the music. You could turn it off and on. Thank you for watching the Hummingbird video.
Bye.
Hola, soy Yalixa y hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hacer un robot de cartón. Pues bueno, vamos a empezar con las cosas más fáciles. Coge una caja de cartón que tengas en tu casa, lo que sea de cartón. Y tienes que picar 2 trozos de cartón así, uno grande así y uno chiquitico así. Ahora, para que se sostenga, acá atrás hay que picar 2 trozos de cartón de lo que te sobre aquí, ese triángulo así mismo, para que así se puedan sostener. Y puedes coger pega caliente para que se peguen y sea más fácil para ti. Bueno, y tienes que coger una de estas cositas, paletas, así, no sé cómo se llaman, estas cositas, un palito, y lo colocas aquí con tape y lo colocas aquí con la cosa esta. Ahorita se lo vamos a decir, ahorita se lo explicamos. Puedes coger un vaso, picarlo y ponerlo aquí para que, para cuando se vaya a mover la mano, pueda hacer así. O sea, lo pueda tocar y así suene. Bueno, ahora vamos con lo más importante. Bueno, lo que les había dicho sobre esto. Esto es una maquinita para que se pueda mover la mano. Para que pueda moverse tienes que conectarlo. Ay, tienes que conectarlo aquí. Lo conectas. Muy fácil. Y esto también va a unir aquí a esta cosa. Esto va a unir aquí. Esta cosa acá. Y tiene que tener baterías. Ok. Vamos a sacarlo por esa margen. Esta cosita trae como muchas cositas. Es una tarjetita así. Una tarjetita que la tienes que conectar aquí. La conectas y te va a dar señales para poder las señales de la computadora para que puedas mover el palito, la manita. Y puedes coger un cargador, el cargador que se conecta a esto para que pueda funcionar y lo conectes a la computadora y haces tus funciones para que pueda funcionar. Bueno, bye.
That's my robot. I created stuff from Hummingbird today. Now I'm done.
Okay, this is our robot. Me, him, and him behind the tablet made it. Look. Okay, there it goes. So, we had to code this arm on with a position thing. And it's very complicated. If you unplug this, absolutely nothing happens besides it stops. Then you can plug it back in. You don't need this to be plugged into a computer. We coded it. We watched the video. We went under, scrolls all the way under. Yeah. I'm gonna pass it on.
This is our robot, and he told you everything. Can't really say much. We got this from a purple bin from our science teacher, and we made a robot. And we got some cords in the back. This is what it looks like. It's really bad, but it works. And we got our battery pack, and we use AA batteries. And
I use this for my
I got a little port right here, and plug it into a computer, and you code it. And and this is the power right here. It's like a circuit board right here.
With a micro bit.
Yeah, with the micro bit. And I'm back.
You plug this in and then it works.
No.
And it has a little smiley face right there. It's very cool. And it took us about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
To finish it. Very long. And those were 3 complicated weeks. And if you plug this in, redid it 3 times.
I also made this. Hello.
And this is it. We got the drum. We have the drum right there. That's the arm right there above it. We got a few LEDs. We have a gear right there. It constantly spins. Sadly, Margarita wasn't here today. That's the speaker. We got some music, and that's just like a bunch of wires. And it seems like he plugged it in. So let's see it in action. And there it is. As you can see, we have the LEDs. We have more LEDs that only light up when it hits the drum. And that's the arm that hits the drum. And that's a gear right there, right over there. Constantly spins using the rotation motor. And that arm right there, it spins using the position motor.
with speakers, making music right here. And that's all the wires.
And the arm is held up by a rotation motor.
Yeah, the arm. No, this is a position motor actually.
Oh yeah.
The gear is a rotation motor because it just constantly rotates. Okay. Now.
Don't stop.
Okay, this tool. Okay, so this is tool I use so that you can like push these in, so you can put the wires in. I forgot what it's named, but it's named something. And then there's this thing. You can put it on these. Well, you can put it on these screws right here. And I guess when I took it off, and I don't think I'll ever be able to put it back on. Never mind then. I guess that works. Should be another gear right here, so I can show you that I would show you that you can do this, but like it doesn't really work that well, and I don't think it ever will. So
Unless we get another one of those.
I mean, maybe we can try this one.
I think we need one of those for that
Let's
too.
try this.
It works better.
I mean, yeah, it does look better. I mean, you kind of can using two different gears, I guess. But, not really. It doesn't really work that well. They're supposed to mesh together like this.
But we need two
Or
rotation
maybe the
motors.
same gear would be way better. But, no, it doesn't really work that well. This is the drum. It's a drum with a light in it. And the light only lights up when this arm goes and hits it. This just shows a smiley face. When I push the button, it's like it should do something, but I guess we didn't code that in yet. I guess I forgot to. And sadly, Margarita wasn't here at the time, but me and Gavin were, so I guess we can. And the battery pack's right there. And these things, I don't really know what to call these things, but that's what you put the wires in. And they say this is good, so we're fine. Alright. This is rotation, this is position for the arm. We got like, we kind of got like a few, we got these lights, you know. We got an orange and a yellow light. I think that's yellow. It might be orange. I don't know. And this thing lights like a bluish, purplish, pinkish color. I don't really know. And all I know is that it's kind of like one of the cold colors, I think. So yeah. And we got the smiley face right here. I have no idea why that smiley face is there. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it.
Hello people, so today's video will be about our Hummingbird project. It is a drum it is a single-handed drum. Here is what it looks like. And this is here's how it works. You see that? You see the popsicle stick? It moves and makes a drum noise. Well, that's our project. Thank you for watching. Bye.